For Hyderabad streets, this will sell. American streets, probably this will sell. Look at this. Look at this, I say. Dear friends, the whole idea is we want to make fresh, tasty, absolutely 5-star level food at home. This one is also nice, breadcrumb crunchy, but this one, this piece of a chicken, have you ever seen this? Because in the curry cut, usually you don't get to see this. In the behind the breast, there is something called inner fillet. Inner fillet, even in Hyderabad, Charminar area and all that, even in a lot of the weddings they serve, they call it stick chicken. So today we're going to make that stick chicken, and also you can call this as a lollipop also. Usually what they do is they put it on a stick and then they fry it. Same way we see in the Thai cuisines and all that. So the piece they use is called inner fillet. That's what you need to remember. This is behind the fillet of a chicken. This we're going to marinate into 2 different things and make a awesome 2 recipes. Namaste, Salam Alaikum, Sat Sri Akal. Welcome back to another session with your Vahchef at VahRehVah.com. And as I told you, we're going to make chicken. You can call it stick chicken or you can call it chicken lollipop in 2 different ways. So first, we're going to make 2 different kind of seasonings. First, for the Indian taste bud. You know how they make chicken stick, add some red chilli powder, and to this we're going to add finely chopped curry leaf. Here you can make your own variation. You don't have to follow exactly I tell you. So some curry leaves, this is one version. In this add some ginger garlic paste and add some salt. In this add a little bit of garam masala. Even some chopped coriander or something like that. But we're going to make a paste out of this. Mix all of this and also add a little bit of water. Apply this to the chicken pieces. Okay, this one I put it on the stick, but the rest of the 3, just for mixing well, I just left it out like this. Chicken on a stick is ready. Marinate it well. Chicken, this inner fillet is the tender kind of thing. You can always brine it a little bit or marinate it and keep for 1-2 hours. They become really nice and soft. Is ready. Later I'm going to show you. I'm going to give it a nice breadcrumb and then we're going to fry it. It's going to look reddish inside and nice golden on the outside. And for the next marinade, very simple, I'm going to take a little bit of flavoring salt to give nice flavor. In this, add a little bit of mixed herb, a little bit of pepper powder. Add salt, squeeze in some lime juice. We are going to just marinate these chicken pieces with this. That's it. Very simple marinade. Just apply to this chicken and then we're going to make this also. Both of these things will become nice and crispy, but one will the breadcrumb, other is just flours. For this, first I'm going to make a flour mixture, a little bit of corn flour and more of all-purpose flour. We can always season it, but we're going to add a little bit of baking powder, salt, some of this flavoring salt and a little bit of pepper powder. Mix this well. So look at this, this is all ready. I'm going to transfer most of it into a flour, which is going to be the coating. The batter, make it just add some water and make a slurry. Slurry means it's like a paste, a little bit of watery kind of paste. This should be good enough. This is what we're going to coat it, because one, we have to use the breadcrumbs and the chicken. We're going to dip in this and do the breadcrumbs. One is going to directly go into the flour. Because one is red, the entire thing will get red. So first, this one with just the mild herbs and spices, I'm just going to take this, put it in this, mix it well, and now we're going to do this exercise. This thing, you're going to dip it in the flour. Okay, we have done this one before. So in the flour, we're going to squeeze it hard. Do it like this and again put it on the plate. Take a stick, put it like this, shake it. We will have to get kind of strands here. That is what will make this crispy. And this is ready to go in the fryer. And this will come out again nice and crispy. And the chicken will also be very, very juicy. That is what it is. You brine the chicken, then you will have this perfect. So I'm going to make all the 4 and we're going to fry it in the oil. Nice flour coated. Look at them how they are like nice. And we're going to fry them till they are nice and crispy. Just let them relax a little bit. That's when you will get a very nice texture. While these fry till they get golden, I have the red, coated chicken. We are going to put these things in the mixture here. In the same batter, put them in the batter like this coat the batter. The batter has got, the seasoning, everything. Hyderabadi sticks, they have to be very nice, masaladar and tasty. And we're going to use the breadcrumb, and the best breadcrumb for any of these kind of frying is Panko breadcrumb. So look at this. I'm just going to make all of this and then fry them after dipping in the breadcrumb. So make all of them like this. These things, put it and apply the Panko breadcrumb. The breadcrumb will give a very nice texture, but inside, the chicken is nice and red. That is how, we all love it. Just look at them, the stick chicken. So we're going to do all of them like that. The flour coated ones are almost getting ready, and you want to get little more color on this, and then we will remove them and they will be perfect. Now the choice is yours. Which one do you prefer the most? You can make them. This much frying is enough for me. Nice, crunchy and perfect. Take them, put it in the hot oil. Even these have to be fried for like 5 minutes till they are nice and perfect. And look at them. They are nice and golden. Now they are all ready like leaves. Serve them with some nice sauce and enjoy it. Both of them. This is little more crunchy and it's got a nice bite on it. These ones are lightly coated, but they've got this nice red color when you bite on it, and this pretty tasty. For Hyderabad streets, this will sell. American streets, probably this will sell. Dear friends, there's so many wonderful recipes that we make here. Make it at home. Make it for your kids. Make it for your family. And then when they eat, they have to say VahRehVah. This tender chicken, this is like the inner fillet is so soft, so juicy, it just melts in your mouth. Look at this. Look at this, I say. Dear friends, the whole idea is we want to make fresh, tasty, absolutely 5-star level food at home. And you can make it. Everyday recipes. So make them. Tick of a chicken and lollipop. This one is also nice, breadcrumb crunchy, but this one, nice, crunchy, absolutely delicious. Make them at home and keep saying VahRehVah.